famous Nayandalli Bridge junction, no? And yeah, it is first time in almost like flyover open adagindano. I am just seeing this for the first time. Eastern traffic guru Bangalore ali. This is seriously, the recording is on Monday and you can see the traffic. I think there is some vehicle breakdown, or it might be there's a traffic jam in BHEL junction. So adrinda issue irbodu, nuksakagalla Dominar haudu. Well, let me pass this through and I'll get some peace to do the motor vlog after a long time. Half an hour later, still illed. I couldn't even cross BHL circle. So ETA ಬಂದು 7 o'clock ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. They said 8 o'clock they'll close. Fitment ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ wheel alignment will take some time. So basically probably 15 minutes approximate. So I don't know. ನೋಡೋಣ ನನ್ನ ಲಕ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, then I came back empty handed because I was very confused on tires. We'll discuss what are the options you have for Dominar and the similar CC bikes, the entry level super bikes you could say. I seriously hate this traffic rules. Anyways, so coming to the options, you have first option is you have Metzeler M5 series. It's a pretty good tire which was coming with stock tires with Duke 200s and 390s, and I'm not sure if it is coming even now. So that's a best tire which you can offer in the sections which I'm telling you right now. And the second is obviously the Michelin Street Pilot. So that's a radial tire and it is not dual bias tires. So what I'm telling you is dual bias in the sense, I'll make it simple. So you have the center patch of the tire with steel belt radial, and then at the corners you have a soft compound tires. So all of these are street belted tires and it is a dual compound tires. A Michelin Pilot Street is a single component or the element type of tire. So basically you can go Michelin Pilot Streets because it's the best until now, from almost like 3-4 years which I've been running with different sort of bikes, and I'm very much happy with the the life and all, because the life of Michelin Pilot Street was approx 25k to 30k kilometers. 25,000 to 30,000. That was with NS. Definitely I can assure you it will cross more than 20,000 with Dominar as well. So next set of tires is you have Scorpion Rally STRs. So STRs are pretty much, they are the champion's choice, I know, but then when you compare the budget which you are getting, the stylish STRs, they're offering a pay of like 21,000 with both front and back. That is pretty much expensive for me right now to afford it. So what I can do is I have to go to a mid-range which will include a Timsons. So Timson are hard compound tires. I'm not sure do we have the radials on it, but Timsons, I can tell you, when you compare in Rally SCR and Timsons are like an Oppo phones and you're comparing with an iPhone. So in terms of that, I think Rally SCR you can go for it. Timsons are very mid-range. They're a little better than Ralco tires, which are like completely very low budget tires, and Ralco I don't suggest at all. So coming to the Timsons are pretty much okayish, and that will clock you around 10 to 15k kilometers depending on your level of riding. So the next set of tires is you have W Rosso 2. Well, that's purely a track tire, guys, so you cannot go for it until unless you are a pretty much track rider and not a tourer. So my style of riding is always a touring, and it's not very harsh. Some at the moment, yeah, definitely a biker will be an harsh. So keeping that into constraint, it's not like every time rush. Iru guru. Finally. Basically, now at the time of probably this video might be in March 2021. For at least 4 to 5 months, what I hear from dealers is that you are not gonna get any sort of tires, and because of the import changes, the rule changes which government has bought in, and lot of tire manufacturers and the dealers are having pretty good problems with it. So whatever you are having the stocks, they are like, you know, increasing with the price. So in that price point, with at least 15 to 20k which I can get with Apollo Alpha F1 with my kind of riding style, it is costing me around like 10.5 max. And yeah, for the fitment in Bangalore, I'll give you a link in the description, so, and probably an Instagram ID of them as well. They have pretty much good reviews in Bangalore, and that is Star Block. So yeah, the title would be coming in the video here. I'll be in another 5 minutes there. Okay, I'll see you at the fitment. Well, here I am. So these are my tires, Alpha F1. You could have seen a lot of videos, and right now I'm in Madhu's Tire Center. This is the only tire balancing center which you have in Bangalore, and that's because of the machine which they're gonna use for tire wheel balancing. So basically this one, I think while doing the wheel balancing I'll share and make a video on this one. So just waiting for the mechanics.
40 to 20.
Okay. These patterns are very impressive. Okay, 421 Jan last week. 1 month old tire. Manufacturing warranty in I mean Apollo in the
3 years.
2 years. Okay. So these are the W rated Alpha F1 tires. I mean the Alpha, yeah, Alpha H1. So basically you get the steel belts here, and at the edge you have the soft compound tires. So basically you can lean a lot once the tire is heated up. So, and you can see it is W here. Basically these patterns will make the water evaporation, or like, you know, escape the waters when you're running very easily. So this is why I chose, and it is under my budget also.
Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100. It's all that I wanted, but lately I don't feel the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell them, oh well. Rather me dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space.
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
10 ಗ್ರಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಾ? And if you can see the brake pad, there's nothing left. I think only 10%. I've used it efficiently and economically, so I have to change it in the next coming service. My front tire left, so I'll take this. See, this is like still it is left, but as I said, right side is little worn out too much, so I have still few things left it in this one. I'll take this. This is how we carry the tire. I'm not sure how clear is the video, but yes, I've done the fitment, and it's been almost like 15 kilometers which I've come, and I'm really close to my house, so I thought of ending this video here. But before that, how is my impressions? Well, for a Dominar, I think it's a good go. I didn't make any mistake in terms of choosing Alpha H1. Moreover, the one thing which I was looking was in the price point and the reviews on it, so both were in my bracket, so that's why I had to finalize only the H1 tires city. But these are like you know, the what do you say, it's a sibling of Michelin's, I believe. So Michelin's are very good in, you know, in terms of touring also, and squeezing in hectic traffic. Basically the movement of the vehicle has been literally changed, and you know, this movement, if you turn left and right, just wobble it, you know, it responds very quick. It was not in terms of Yamaha, it was not in terms of MRF. So, and mostly I'll conclude this video. Thank you. Whoa. I think that was really not visible in the camera because there was a snake there. Mostly I'll try to zoom in this clip. Well, that's all I can do in the GoPro. Thanks to that guy who was you know, just waving out his hand just to highlight there was a snake there. If this video has helped in any manner, you know what to do. Just like it and share it, give a thumbs up. I'm just making these efforts to make a good review and help these Dominar owners who are in very confused of taking Alpha F1s, and there's a lot of complaints who are telling it's like it's not possible to, you know, it does not correct fit our Dominars and everything. So, well, if you ask me, well, you can go for it. Anyways, I think you have enjoyed this video. I'm signing off here. See you until on the next ride. Bye.